Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Log In. Today I'm back with another brand new video to show you guys how you can log in into your Lake City bank account. First of all, just go into your search browser that you are using. Then go into its search bar and just type for Lake City Bank Login and hit enter. After doing so, it will take you to a different screen where many results are on your screen. Click on the first result. After doing so, it will take you to the official website of Lake City Bank, and on the top right corner of your screen you can see an access account. Click on it. After doing so, many results a pop-up will show many results of account that you can log in into. Select any of these accounts that you want to log in and click on it. After doing so, it will take you to the different interface where you now need to input your user ID and passport so you can log in to your Citibank account. After inputting your correct user ID and passport, just click on login, then you'll be logged in into your Lake City Bank. So guys, that's how you log in into your bank account. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.